What's going on, guys? So I got a little simple install today. We've got the gear shift surround around the Volkswagen MK7s, and it can get pretty dangerous because the metal's here. You can cut your hands and stuff on it, so it's actually pretty sharp stuff. So yeah, we've got a new one today. We've got it off AliExpress. And before anyone says, "Oh, AliExpress, blah 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 blah," well, I'll set you guys right there. $3, and I bet you any money it fits exactly like an OEM one. So obviously OEM, it's a bit more chrome looking. This one's silver, obviously, and it's just generic plastic instead of being plastic with like a metal sort of thing on top. So I'm just going to sit here and clip it on. You gotta line it up properly. Oh, I have a wire in the way, that's why. And would you look at that? Fits exactly like OEM. Awesome. There's no lip, no nothing, and I'm not going to have to worry about when I put my hand in here, cut myself from the crappy Volkswagen plastics. Yeah, a little short install for that one. But yeah, $3 off AliExpress, $120 Volkswagen wants for one of these just for it to shit itself again. I think I know what I'm choosing any day of the week. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one.